New Barker Bailey shoe here, and our customer would like it with a steel tip putting on it. So that's what he'd like, a steel tip on this new Barker Bailey. But we don't just want to put him a steel tip on there. He'd like the idea of a little bit extra height. So the height on top of there. But we can't put a steel tip on there and leave all this rubber tipping. So we've got to rip it off. So let's get that on there. Get that under there. Let's pull that off there. And then let's get that come on, baby. Get that off there. Over here. We can put 2 leather lifts on there. And then the heel back on top. Like that. Trim all the edges up. And they'll be beautiful. Okay. A customer has bought a Bailey shoe from us, and he asked us if we could just lift the heel stack a little bit. This is the shoe. It's had the cover sole on, it's had the toe plates on, it's had a leather heel with a quarter steel tipping, which is, it's sort of old school, that it's traditional and it's nice to do it. But what we didn't want to do is put the steel heel on over the top of the original heel. So we've put 2 extra lifts on. So this is the original shoe there, and you can see the height difference, but it's actually made that shoe sit quite nicely. So it's had a cover sole on, just a 2.5mm cover sole on, and then 2 lifts on the heel, and then the leather heel with the quarter steel tip. And I think that is actually a nice height on there. Nothing wrong with the original, but it's just what this gentleman wanted doing. So that's what we've done for him on this Barker shoe here at Shoe Healer.